Happy Valentine's Day, everyone.
He's back.
Guess who's back? Back again. Shawnee's back. Tell a friend.
It's our verdict debut. Are you excited?
I'm a little nervous, just a little bit.
Woo! We're back, Audrey.
Season
2.0
2.0.
of the
Here we
verdict.
are.
And we're season 3,
debatable.
correction from the back.
OREOs, America's finest cuisine.
So we're going to eat these different kinds
Yeah.
of Oreos.
And today we are trying Oreos.
Oreos.
But not just one kind of Oreo. What kind of Oreos are we trying, Audrey?
I mean, we got 3, but I think the main star here is
Oh.
the most stuffed Oreo.
She thick.
Stuff.
That's a lot of stuffing.
We got the OG Oreo. We have the double stuff. And we have the most stuffed Oreo.
So we've got regular, double stuffed, and then the most cream ever.
I have my little helper. His name is my dad, also named Sean Haw. He was able to find these at the local Jewel Osco.
I love Oreos.
I am too. I'm not in the mood for it right now, though.
The original Oreo.
Classic.
Fresh opening.
There's like nothing in here.
Okay, you have to pull it apart and then scrape the cream off with your teeth.
Okay.
And then you don't even need this, actually. I'm just going to put that on the side.
I'm going to let it sit a little bit.
You gotta wait till like the bubbles, like you're suffocating.
There you go.
Hold it down till they stop.
Kill your Oreo before you eat
Serial
it.
killers.
3, 2, 1.
And then if you want, you can eat this cookie, but you don't even need to.
Oh no, I lost you. I like more stuffing. I like both. Like, I'm not one that like unwinds, licks, and like eats. I like the combination of them together.
Oh, see,
And that's
see.
uneven for me. There's too much cookie.
I feel like it needs more
Oh, no.
stuffing.
That was a pretty good amount of stuffing for me. Then again, I did only eat the stuffing.
There's too much cookie.
Yeah, it was a lot of cookie, not a lot of filling. Yeah. It is what it is.
It's a cookie.
The double stuff.
This is my personal favorite.
I don't think I've ever had a double stuffed Oreo. Maybe I have.
It's the best one.
To be honest, I don't see that much of a difference.
I wouldn't know. I don't know if it's doubled, but it's definitely like there's more.
Now, see how the filling actually comes out to
Yeah.
the ends of this one?
There's a huge difference
There's
there.
a big difference.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Load on you.
It went in.
That's a good cookie.
All right. How was it?
Fantastic.
Do you dip it in your milk at all or no?
Mm-mm.
I could sit here and eat this whole box.
I might be becoming a cream guy.
Uh-oh.
That's pretty good.
Are you ready?
Just give me a second. Yes, okay, I'm ready. Okay.
Limited edition.
All right, this is it. The moment we've all been waiting for.
Not-
This one's Are you ready? That's so much.
As the kids say, shoddy thick. Look at that thing.
What kind of kids say that?
The cookie doesn't even stay connected to the cream.
Mm-mm.
It kind of just falls off.
Oh,
Oh boy.
we still here.
You cannot tell me there's not a difference in these cookies. Like, I could clearly tell you which one was regular, double, and most.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Oh yeah.
Oh, now there's a difference.
That's a
So you,
double
you
stuff.
probably need 2 small regular ones on top of each other. Close.
Close.
It's close.
Yeah.
To big cookies.
Cheers.
Oh no, mine's breaking.
Oh no, so is mine.
That was a lot.
Yeah, it's a little much.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Whoa. That's a lot of stuffing.
Mm-hmm.
That's a beautiful work of art right there, let me tell you.
Whoever thought of that, whoever thought of this cookie, raise. Making the president of Oreo.
You don't even taste the cookie, you only taste the cream.
I mean, still, it stays true to the Oreo
It
flavor
does.
for sure.
That's definitely there.
But it's a lot.
It's kind of a lot
Most
of cream.
ever.
It's so thick
Mm-hmm.
that it really
It's a little much.
It is. I don't know.
I think that is the best one.
I agree.
I like the stuffing.
Like, I think if you're like, I'm a big advocate of go big or go home.
I mean, across the board, thumbs up.
Yeah. In general, I do too.
But winner, double stuff. Well balanced.
All right.
The double stuff.
It was pretty good.
Yeah, my fave. Still,
The most stuff.
it's too much.
Classic Oreo, just a sideways thumb. I'm gonna give double stuff a thumbs up, and I'm gonna give the most stuff 2 thumbs up. Hey, wanna hear a joke?
I'd love to hear a joke.
So obviously, since we have cookies, what came first, the cookie or the filling? So Dad, there's your shout out. I love you.